In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate in Miro. If you collaborate with teammates across different languages, translating right inside your board can save a ton of time. Start by signing in to your Miro account and opening the board you're working on. Make sure you have edit access to that board, since translation changes the content directly. It's easiest to follow along on a desktop browser or the desktop app so you can see the full toolbar. Miro includes a built-in feature called Miro AI Translate that works on text-based objects. That means you can translate the content inside text boxes, sticky notes, and shapes. It won't convert text embedded in images or screenshots, so if your text is part of an image, consider retyping it into a text object first. On your board, click to select the item you want to translate. You can select a single sticky, a text box, or a shape with text inside. After selecting, you'll see the contextual toolbar appear. Look for the Miro AI button in that toolbar. If you don't see it, double check that you've selected a text-based object and that Miro AI is enabled for your team. Click the Miro AI button to open the AI menu. Hover over Translate to reveal available languages. You'll see a quick list of common options and you can choose Show More to browse the full set. Pick your target language and the translation will be applied instantly to the selected object. If you want to keep the original text, a helpful approach is to duplicate the object first and translate the copy. And if the result isn't what you expected, use undo to revert immediately. Each translation uses one Miro AI credit per action. If you plan to translate a lot of content, keep an eye on your credit usage and consider prioritizing the most important items first. Accuracy can vary based on context, so give your translated text a quick review, especially for technical terms or brand names. You can adjust the wording after the translation is applied to make it sound natural for your audience. For teams that need to translate large volumes of content or entire frames at once, you can explore marketplace apps like Board Translator or Easy Translator. These tools are designed for bulk translation and often include options to preserve the original text or process multiple objects in one go. Installation and permissions may vary depending on your team's admin settings. That's it. You've seen how to translate text directly inside Miro using Miro AI, plus when to consider third-party apps for larger projects. Try it on a small section of your board, review the results, and then scale up as needed.